Hi everybody, it's Heavy Dobby and it is Tuesday the 11th of March. It's VLCD day number 3 for me. My last vlog was on my loading, and this one is about my first couple of days of VLCD. I wanted to say a couple of things about my days in general, and that is my injections. I am doing 100 IU per day. Sorry, I just wanted to remember if I injected correctly today. I'm also not doing any kind of grain, so no more Melba toast or rice cake or anything like that. And I am not doing fruit on a daily basis. I'm saving fruit for when I have a sweet tooth and really need to take care of that. I found that not having fruit on a daily basis or sugar or starches or anything like that has really changed my taste buds, and now eating a slice of apple is super sweet to me. So I do reserve the right to have fruit, but just not on a daily, day in, day out basis. My notes: VLCD number 1 was on a Sunday. I don't recommend it. Next time I won't be doing a VLCD, my first on a non-working day. Since I work outside the home, my routine is to be at work, and that's a good time to do a first VLCD is when you are going to be busy. So what am I doing? I'm popping this week. No promises for next week, but generally the first week of any round, P2, is your best week of all, and so I don't want to do any experimenting. I'm sorry, I have some hair on my nose or something. I don't want to do any experimenting on the first week, but I don't know what I'll do next time. So I gained 6.1 pounds for my load, and so I started the LCD 1 on Sunday at 261.6. And I accidentally gave myself half dose. That's why I stumbled for just a moment earlier, because this time I mixed my HCG with a ratio of 2:1 instead of 1:1. So I mixed up 5,000 IU instead of with 5 milliliters of 5 mLs. I don't know what it is. It's early. I mixed with 10. So the first day I injected like I had mixed a 1:1 ratio and didn't realize it. And so my first day VLCD, I only had 50 IUs. I started feeling hunger about noon on Monday, and I got up to a release of 3.0. So I lost 3 pounds the first VLCD. So I went from 261.6 to 258.6, 3 pounds. And what I'm doing is, on this round, is I'm not eating until I'm physically hungry. And then when I think I'm hungry, I'll drink about 24 to 32 ounces of water first, because I have found that my body feels hungry when I'm thirsty and dehydrated. So the first thing I do is make sure that it's not because I'm thirsty. And then if I'm still hungry, I will have a light snack of celery or something like that, and see if that tides me over until I can get to a meal or prepare a meal. So that's how I'm kind of looking at this round. So at noon, I was starting to feel a little bit hungry. I drank some water, and then I was fine until it was time for a meal. So I had one meal, believe it or not, on VLCD day 2. This morning is VLCD 3, and I lost an additional 4.2 pounds. So that's a total of 7.2 in 2 VLCD days. So I am now 254.4. So I've lost all my load weight plus 1.1 pounds. So things worked for me yesterday. So my plan of action today is to go ahead and drink my water when I think I'm hungry. And then this is what I always pack with me. I have like 260 grams of celery. I always cut it in bite-sized pieces so I can pop it in my mouth instead of crunching out loud at my desk. So that's the next step I will do before eating a meal, just to kind of tide me over, because when you're physically hungry, you want to eat now. And sometimes it takes a little time to get some food prepared. So that's my plan of action. I have a busy day. I have this jacket on. It's really pretty. It's reversible. And because I'm sitting, it's a little crunched up. But it's not, it doesn't fit me just right. It's a little bit small, but I thought it would be a good body shot because the jacket doesn't close all the way around me because I'm so round. So I thought that this would be a good thing to wear, and then on my 30th day of VLCDs, I wanted to wear it again and see if there is any difference in the way it fits. So it'll be more visible for you guys too. All right, I think that's it. Hopefully I'll have time to do the body shot and get this thing rolling. Have a good day, you guys. Love ya. Bye.